Ice cream. Ice cream. Here, you take. Ice cream.
You changed your mind.
Ice cream. Good.
It's not stinky anymore.
It's not as funny when she does that though. Row, row, row your boat gently down the sea. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. You are a good girl. That one's not ready to eat. Yucky. You gotta eat the red ones. Here's a red one, Riley. Yummy. Riley's eating these wild strawberries in our backyard. Here you go, babe. Another one. We have this rogue raspberry plant that's been growing in between the shed and the fence. So I've just picked Riley some raspberries. Here, babe. You're a hungry monkey. More? Oh, that's a flower, Riley.
Right.
It's a flower. You smell them. Raspberries.
What made me thus?
Big van.
What made me thus? What made me thus?
Alan Partridge.
And as the memories
My buddy's a bit
swirled
weird.
around, like the trainers I
My new
mentioned in
buddy.
the previous paragraph, all that could be heard was the pitter-patter of blood. My nose was still piddling the stuff as it dripped from my nose and chin and onto my shoes. Pitter-patter, pitter-patter, pitter-patter. Pitter-patter goes the rain on the window.
Yeah, we've got a new van.
Pitter-patter.
Look at
And
it.
outside, cars zoom
We got a
up and down the
massive
road.
van and we
Some
got to
of them
deliver
dropping
down
into
little
seconds
streets.
to turn right into Gayton Road.
It's gonna be fun.
On the paper.
We are once again running 20 minutes late for a playgroup, but we're still going. We're still going. Come on, Riley. Your pants are so baggy. You coming? Snack time.
Yeah. Wow.
Daddy, thank you.
Okay. You ready? I'm not as good as you. Your turn. Whoa! Go on, Daddy, get it.
Daddy, I don't.
I can't
Oh. Ha.
Oh,
Go.
go on.
Okay, ball.
Again? You do.
I'm going to do something I've never done before, and that is I am going to let Riley use some markers. So this could get really messy and dangerous. Well, not dangerous, but you know what I mean. It's just going to be messy. But But my reason for wanting to give her markers, because before this she's only been allowed to play with crayons, is because I started bullet journaling, if you want to call it journaling, because I kind of use it more for planning, about a month ago. But I haven't gotten really into it because it's hard for me to find time to do it. So my bullet journaling so far is extremely basic, like very basic. Like I've just got like basically writing. I don't do like a lot of like designs and colors and stuff, although I did do quite a bit of planning for Riley's party. But anyway, my point is I want to do more of this. Oh, I did a little pumpkin in a what's it called, spider web for October. That was kind of creative. Anyway, guys, I want to do this more. So in order for me to be able to do this, if I'm going to use these in front of her, if I'm going to use these in front of her, I need to let her use them too. So we're going to see what her reaction is to using markers for the first time. I think she's going to love it. There you go. Gray. There you go.
Color gray. Yeah.
You want me to do the blue for you? Here you go. No! On the paper.
Purple.
Purple.
Hey, yellow. Green. Blue. Gray.
I am pulling down all of the toys in Riley's little toy section because Riley has taken to pulling on the shelves lately and trying to climb them and just yanking on them, and they're not anchored to the wall. Duncan is like really anti putting holes in the wall anytime I ask him to, because we rent and he doesn't want to have to fill them in when we move. Not that we're planning on moving, but yeah. So anyway, I'm pulling all this down, and then I have to figure out where to put her toys, because I have no idea where I'm going to put her toys afterwards. I haven't started really. I've just emptied 3 shelves. That took me like 2 seconds. But I'm gonna get on this because I need to figure something out, and she's just gone down for her nap. So I'd like to try to get this done before she wakes up, because trying to do this while she's awake is like nearly impossible. Ta-da! This is the best I can manage for the time being. I do realize that it looks really messy just having everything down on the floor. But the good part of this is that Riley can reach all of her toys. So until I can find or figure out a better storage solution, this will just have to do. I don't want to just buy something just because I need it like right away. I'd rather think about it and figure out what'll work the best. So that's it. I still need to figure out where I'm going to put her books, because I definitely want her to access those, especially since she has more recently taken more interest in books again, because she kind of went off of them for a long time. She was all about the iPad. This stuff is being lent out to Duncan's nephew, who is going to be 6 months this month, so he's the perfect age to start playing with these kinds of toys. So that's good, because it'll just be out of the house and out of the way until she gives it back to me, which, you know, I won't want to think out that far into the future. Yeah, so it's kind of a mess. Oh, and I've also stuck, Riley's potty is always there, so it's always a mess looking. It always looks a mess in here anyway, but I've had to stick some of her other toys down on the bottom of this shelf as well. So there's kind of just, there's toys everywhere. But what else is new? There's always been toys everywhere in this living room, but they're less contained to this corner. They used to be a lot more contained. Yeah, like I said, I'll just figure something out. But, you know, it's more important for her to not hurt herself than to have it look pretty, right? I'm in the car with the sleeping baby. We've just come out and promised her to take her to the playground, but because she fell asleep, she's not going. But Dunks is back there because we've gone basically to the bike shop to pick up an empty bike box because I'm constructing a massive pirate ship for Riley's birthday party. Hopefully. I mean, the problem with Pinterest is things never come out like you expect. Bike box. So, yeah. I think what we're going to do instead now is take a ride to Daily Bread because we're close to it, pick up some bits, go back home because we're about half an hour away from home, and then we'll just take her to the playground by our house. Even though I wanted her to go to the playground here because there's a pirate ship in this playground. It's not a huge one, but I thought that would really excite her because she's loving pirates right now. She's like seriously into them, so like I'm really excited and happy for her birthday party because I kind of just picked pirates as like a theme because I thought it seemed cool, and it's just worked out that she's like really into pirates now. Dunks is having some difficulty fitting into the car. Here we go, guys. It is an overcast, cloudy, very lightly sprinkling day in England. And wouldn't you know that the playground is bursting. It is so busy.
Because it's not raining.
It's also quite cool out. As you can see, we're all in our coats.
If it's not raining, you have to make the most of it.
Riley's in her coat too. Yeah, but then the icing on the cake is that yellow truck back there is the ice cream truck. And not only is the ice cream truck out, but he's got a line. People are queuing for ice cream on a cold, rainy, overcast English day at the playground. AKA just another day in England.
Hello.
Who's down there? You going down?
Hello.
He likes stomping. Whee!
You coming? You coming?
Boo.
No.
No.
Come on. Come on, monkey. Yeah, come on. We got you. Whoa!
Hello. It's officially raining. Yeah, there's still quite a bit of people here. A lot of people just ran off. But actually, yeah, the ice cream van is the busy one now. Because when it's raining, everybody wants ice cream, apparently. People are hiding out under the trees. Riley's like, I want to go on the swing.
Oh, look, it's a chicken. It's a rooster. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Cock-a-doodle-doo.
I'm making my pirate ship. You guys just have to trust that this is going to look somewhat like a pirate ship when I'm finished, because I know right now it's a little bit hard to imagine. But the back of the ship is currently in the garage because I put that together the other day. This little cutout here is for the plank to come through because we're going to have a little walk the plank, courtesy of the bottom shelf of our not cupboards, bottom shelf of our shelves.
Yeah, it's gone missing. Look, where is it? Should be down there somewhere.
Because our house isn't a mess enough as it is, so, you know, I'm just pulling things apart.
We've got a graffiti artist roof.
Yeah, the Titanic probably had graffiti too, you know? It's just keeping it real. But, yeah, this is gonna be Riley's birthday centerpiece. Doesn't it look beautiful?
Yeah.
What matters is that Riley is super excited having all this cardboard in the house, and that's what's important. And she won't see the actual ship until the day of her birthday either, because I'm not gonna like fully put it together until then. So even though she's seeing this part and she saw the other part that I've done, she's not seen it together. And you guys won't see it until next week's vlog, because her birthday is next weekend.
Oh, I don't know
not
if
this
we can
weekend.
wait that long.
I know, I'm keeping them in suspense.
It's
a baby.
Does
Anyone would think I've never held a
Riley
baby
want to get in
before.
the photo?
You want to get in the photo? Somebody's taking over the baby's toys.
Oh look, we've got another baby.
Oh my gosh, she scared me.
No feet.
Say faster. Daddy's getting dizzy.
Hi, Riley.
Like a bobsleigh monkey.
Wow.
Wow.
This is Riley's first time crunching through the fall leaves, and she loves it.
That's perfect time for it.
Yeah. You love it, don't you, Riley? Riley is busy painting a mural of water for her party while watching a pirate show. It's pirates all day long in this house. Oh, there you go. You're gonna win this round. Do you love pirates, Riley? I swear she was just giving him a hug and walking him around the room.
This is a moral in life, huh? You're never done because you can always get back up again. Yeah.
Oh, it's still looking messy in here. But you know, we've got a lot of crafting going on. But I'm going to end the vlog here and say goodnight to you guys. And I hope you enjoyed the vlog, and I will see you next week with a party, a birthday party, because somebody's going to be turning 2.